Stan Gibilisco here. I would like to explain two different types of graph that are very easy to understand, provided that you have the right, well, shall we say, the right frame of mind. They are called the bar graph, that's on the left here, and the pie graph, and that's on the right. And what you're looking at here is a hypothetical grade on a curve. Pretty tough curve if you ask me by today's standards, but pretty fair, I would say, in the historical context of education. Imagine that you are a teacher and you give your kids a test. There are a great number of students in the class, maybe at least 40 or 50 or 60, so that you can get meaningful figures here for these numbers. Maybe let's just say 100 students. It's a college course at a major university. How about that? 100 students. And you grade the test results with the grades A, excellent, B, good, C, average, D, poor, and F, failing. And you get 8 of the 100 students, you'll give an A. 32 of them you'll give a B, 37 of them you'll give a C, 15 of them you'll give a D, and you'll flunk 8 of them. Actually, if you were going to make a perfectly fair curve, it would be bell-shaped. There'd be an equal number of B's and D's. The C's would be the most abundant, and an equal number of A's and F's. But you're actually, as you can see here, rather lenient by the bell-shaped curve standard, even though by modern standards you'd probably get sued if you put a curve like this on a class of students. But now you can also graph this as a pie chart, pie type of appearance, and they call it a pie obviously because of the slices. It looks like it's sliced up. A's and F's 8%, D's 15%, just like here, B's 32% here, C's 37% here. So this lets you see the relative proportions very well, and this lets you see the relative actual magnitudes of the grades much better. This again is called a bar graph, a vertical bar graph to be exact. And this is called a pie graph over here on the right. The same data portrayed in two different ways to portray two different aspects of these test results. You'll find this and information like it in my book, Everyday Math Demystified, 2nd edition. And you'll also find it in plenty of other textbooks as well. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Until next time, so long.